Hello, friend. Welcome to the Way Out Academy. I'm having a live stream on the 16th, this Friday, 8 p.m. Now, what is this live stream all about? This live stream is all about giving you a way out from the economic crisis, problems, the financial problems that we currently have in the country. All right, so we all know what we already facing in the country: the high price of fuel, the cost of living. There's no jobs, and even if you have a job, you don't even have a take-home salary, even up to 500,000 naira. And what will 500,000 even do for you, comparing the current cost of living in the country? Okay, so this live stream, the Way Out Academy live stream on the 16th August, this Friday, 8 p.m., I'm going to be showing you guys how to make, or how I have been making consistently 3 million naira in a single month. And even if you may try to make a million naira right now, the way things are going, that means you can take care of your family. Okay, you can finally have what you want. Okay, buy what you want. Okay, and then live happily with your family without having to think, oh, am I going to buy fuel today? Am I going to buy food today? Am I going to go to this place and that place? Am I going to take care of this bill? Am I going to take care of my children's school fees? On all those kind of things. Okay, on Friday, this Friday, 16th, 8 p.m. So I'm going to be taking you guys step by step, showing you guys how to make at least a million naira every month. Okay, so you can finally say goodbye to your 9 to 5 hours. Okay, all right. So please, all right, if you haven't subscribed, so try and hit the subscribe button, and you want to do yourself good by hitting the notification bell, because anytime I put up a new video, you'll be the first to get to know about it. How cool is that? Okay, so please don't forget, this Friday my live stream starts 8 p.m. You don't want to miss that. Okay, now I have step by step proven. I'm going to be showing you proofs. Okay, so when I say you can make this or you can make that, okay, I'm not just saying, okay, it's what I do. They're proven steps. So I'm going to be revealing it out to you guys. Okay, I'm going to be showing you proof of payment samples and all that. Okay, so if you want to, if you want to end hardship, okay, if you want a way out from the crisis and financial struggle and high cost of living that we currently have, if you want a way out, you want to join my live stream on the 16th. Don't forget, 8 p.m. Okay, thank you, and I'm going to be seeing you. All right, so if you have any questions, you can send me a WhatsApp message. You can, if you have any questions prior to the live stream, that's coming up on the 16th, time 8 p.m. If you have any questions, you can DM me. We can have a one-on-one chat. All right, so now don't forget, this is a free live stream. Okay, this is a free webinar. This is a free, you don't have to pay a dime. All right, it is free for you guys. All right, so I'm gonna be seeing you on the 16th, time 8 p.m. All right, a lot of cool stuff are coming your way.